Big news in on the Aarushi Talwar murder case. The CBI for the first time has ruled out any outsider role in the sensational Aarushi Talwar murder case. The premier investigation agency has given a clean chit thereby to other suspects, Vijay Mandal, Rajkumar and Krishna indirectly. The CBI now points directly at Aarushi's parents, Rajesh and Nupur Talwar, for the murder of their teenage daughter. The deposition by the CBI officer in a Ghaziabad court is a huge setback for the dentist couple. The final forensic report released last week also referred to an insider role in the murder. The CBI officer told the court that only Rajesh and Nupur Talwar were present in that house in Noida when the teenager and the family's domestic help, Hemraj, were killed in May 2008. He, however, said that there was not sufficient evidence against the Talwars, even though there was enough circumstantial proof against Rajesh and Nupur Talwar. Let's get a quick word in from Headlines Today's Atir Khan for more on this. Atir, the CBI saying that there was no outside role, there was nobody from the outside who got in. This is a pretty direct statement against Rajesh and Nupur Talwar once again, isn't it?
Well, it is indeed. As you rightly pointed out, this is for the first time that CBI has emphatically said that the Talwar couple is involved in this double murder. Also, clearly, they have ruled out involvement of the servants. Remember, they were rounded up earlier by the Noida police, and later, both the Talwars were arrested. Now, they had sought relief from the apex court, but they failed to get any reprieve. Now the court had directed them to go to the trial court, and now during the trial, when this witness testimony is given by the IO of the case, it makes it all the more significant and a major development in the case.
It's 5 years since the crime was committed, Atir. We've seen ups and downs. Rajesh and Nupur Talwar have been in and out of jail. They're both out on bail at the moment. Can you tell us what happens next from a legal perspective? Now that the CBI has filed this report, what happens next as far as the police and the law are concerned?
Well, Shiv, as you know, the trial of the case is still on. The trial needs to wrap up, and following which the court will pronounce its sentence, and then comes the quantum of punishment. So it's still a long way to go, Shiv, but then today's development is quite significant when we see the background of the case.
And this is definitely a setback for the Talwars, because over the last 5 years, in fact in May, next month it will be 5 years since this crime was committed, Atir, there has been speculation, there has been criticism about the manner in which the agencies have gone about investigating this case. There was a sort of backlash against the media as well because of certain things that were reported at the time about the parents. But now the CBI pretty directly, well, certainly indirectly, giving a clean chit to the outsiders and thereby pointing a finger directly at the parents.
Well, that's right. That's the case. The CBI has totally ruled out involvement of outsider. It's clearly indicated that it is insider's role. And we know that in the past the CBI had been indicating this, but then never before it was said such emphatically like it was said in the court today. So we know that the Talwar couples have also trying to get relief from different quarters, but they have failed to get it, though in the past due to one reason or the other. They were seeking some relief, and which they got in terms of, as you pointed out, police mishandling of the case and at later stages. But this development is quite significant, Shiv, and will have a wide-ranging impact on the result of the trial.
Atir, thanks for that. Let's also try and get in a word from former CBI Director Joginder Singh. Mr. Singh, what happens now? The CBI, which has been, roundly criticized for the manner in which it has gone about this investigation, now 5 years after the crime took place, is finally in a position to tell the court that there were no outsiders involved. What do you think?
Well, you see, you don't need Solomon's intelligence. It is only an intelligent guess here, because from whatever has appeared, not even a single person has appeared in a town of 15 lakhs before the CBI. That they saw these people, anybody coming and committing the crime. Now there are 4 persons, 2 are killed. Obviously the the suspicion goes to the parents only.
Right.
And also the body being disposed of. So this is only at the best intelligent guess. His statement cannot convict Talwars for the simple reason that no confession made before the police officer is admissible in the court of law. So it is as much intelligent guess as yours and mine.
Okay, understood. Thank you, Joginder Singh, for giving us your perspective. An intelligent guess, circumstantial proof, but nothing that's even anywhere close to being enough to actually convict the Talwars. Well, that's what the CBI thinks anyway.